Good morning, everyone. How are you all? Anybody who wants can switch on the cameras, and I will be happy to connect. Okay, तो चलो हमारी रीडिंग करते हैं. Let us see what is the message coming today. So connect with yourself, connect with my energy. You can secretly, silently ask your question, and let's see what shows up. All right. Change. There is change coming. Now, what is this change about? It resonates with the message we got yesterday, isn't it? It's absolutely in sync with that. And let's see what is the clarifier for this change. So, the period from now till the eclipse season is going to be powerful for this change. And focus here, you have to stop resisting this change, all right, because this change is transforming you. This change is bringing some transformation in some area of your life, and you stop resisting it, stop denying it. Welcome what is coming in your life. Just one more. Yeah, have faith. You are birthing into some new energies. There is something blossoming, and most of us, we have been waiting for a long time for this change, and now it's like not very far. And what is this change bringing? What is this change bringing? I got another card. I didn't know that I had these two cards in the same deck. Change. So, what is this change bringing? It is bringing a huge shift in any area of your life. All right. So, let me pull out some special cards, little bit to specify this. These are the tea leaves. I just want to use them today. Very interesting. So focus on self-love, focus on your transformation, focus on what is going, let it go, because you are birthing into new energies. Okay. Okay. Major challenge to overcome. So it might look, for many of you, it might look like it's a major challenge, but let me see what's the next card telling us. Okay, so there is a kind of test, a choice here, I feel, with this mountain and the apple. All right, there is something which is going to bring a choice in your life, which is going to tempt you, or which could look like a challenge. So you have to focus. That is why I think this card has come to focus. All right, the focus has to be on what are you birthing new. So focus on the change Temptation and mountain represent the old energies which might want to keep you stuck. So, any stubborn energy, let it go. Any stubborn habit, any kind of, uh, you know, the shadows, you will have to let it go. Okay, this is coming. So it shows like something, it's showing April and the blossoming. All right. So something is very important. 2026 April could be very important. Something is coming to fruition by that time. Fire, strong emotion, passionate love or hate. And bottom of the deck we have stock, news of a birth or a new business opportunity. So something new is entering your life. It is like very passionate. You're going to feel very passionate about it, and very strong emotions could be affected here. And September month is going to be very important. All right. And also up to April. So it is going till April. September month here looks like more of leaving all the stubborn energy, and more of enlightenment, awareness, understanding coming in, and someone or something is leaving your life permanently. All right. So old situation, anything which was not serving you, it is leaving your life completely. Wow. So change is in the horizon. Welcome the change. So कुछ तो past का पूरी तरह जा रहा है, and something new is coming.